All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be discussing none other than Book of Meme, see what is happening with its price, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further, into this week. So, if we're looking at the overall markets, compared to yesterday, we're seeing the market picking up, and that is obviously due to some great news coming in. The FOMC meeting, went really well. We heard something that we wanted to see, and I think this is just perfect. And we're seeing the market really reacting to that move. You can pretty much see Bitcoin bouncing back above $67,000. So that correction that we have had was a great opportunity nonetheless. And you are seeing the market picking up. But let's continue see what is happening with Book of Meme and what we could be expecting as we go further into this week. Like I said, so if we're looking at the price right now, it's currently sitting at 0.012 cents up. It's down 7.9% over the past 24 hours in USD. Comparative, it's also down 14.7% in Bitcoin comparative right now. So the market cap as of now is currently sitting at 800 million. The market cap on CoinGecko is not accurate, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $859.8 million, which is not bad at all. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with something that the developer posted, and the developer is engaging quite a bit, and that is obviously something that you want to see. And you can see Dark Farm says about 251 plus SOL will be removed to a new address to multi-send back to people that sent Solana after 24 hours and were not in final.csv. What that means is when the pre-sale was happening, people that sent it afterwards, obviously they did not qualify, and that 251 plus Solana is being refunded to those specific addresses. So that is a really nice move in my opinion, and kudos to him. And also a lot of other things he's doing. If you want to check it out, of course you could do so on his Twitter and kind of stay updated as to what exactly is happening. So that is obviously nice to see. But let's continue. If we're looking at the total meme coin market, definitely had a beautiful bounce today, up 15.2% for the entire meme coin market cap combined. We're looking at about $55 billion in terms of its overall market cap, and you guys can see pretty much the big boys are flying right now. Book of Meme is lagging right now. So compared to yesterday, now we're seeing the big boys coming in. We're seeing Floki up 36.8%, Pepe up 17.2%, Dogecoin up 17.4% as well. So you can pretty much see this for yourself. A lot of coins bouncing up with this momentum, but as of now, Book of Meme is lagging. But a lot of people might be like, why is this happening? But what you need to understand is this coin just came out. It hasn't even been a week, and it's consolidating really nicely, and I'm expecting some fireworks to begin for this sooner than a lot of people think. So of course let's continue see what is happening. If you're looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, Bitcoin dominance is not budging. Bitcoin dominance is remaining at 53.7%. Really good for altcoins, and obviously we can get that kind of a confirmation right now just by looking at the daily. You're seeing altcoins absolutely outpacing Bitcoin, because Bitcoin up 7.4%, but if you're looking at majority of the altcoins, they are outperforming BTC. So again, that kind of explains as to why. If we're looking at Bitcoin Bitcoin price on the other hand, beautiful bounce right after that FOMC meeting concluded. You did see Bitcoin bouncing up about 10%, and now what you're seeing is Bitcoin is trying to retest its resistance all-time high from our previous cycle, and if this is able to pop off, I think we're back to where we left off. So things are looking really great for the overall market. I know some people don't like hearing about Bitcoin and stuff, but we're going to cover Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. It's extremely important to talk about Bitcoin, especially if you're coming new to the markets. You need to incorporate Bitcoin in your strategy. Always take a look at Bitcoin because it does make a huge difference. So that's that. But now let's talk about Book of Meme. So I'm really liking. So first, what I want you guys to remember A lot of people don't remember this. So you are seeing this project pumping like crazy, obviously taking the entire meme coin market by storm. Hit fastest project to get listed on the big centralized exchanges, Binance, pretty much all of the other ones except Coinbase. This is the fastest one in history that got listed on them. And not only that, it was the fastest one to reach a $2 billion market cap. Oh yeah, you've heard that correct. And of course, if you've been in this market for quite some time, moves like this is not sustainable. There will come a time where you do see a little bit of a cool off, and that's what we're starting to see happen right now. One thing I want you guys to focus on, a lot of people are losing patience already. Meme coins, at the end of the day, guys, you need to understand, number one, they don't bring any utility. You need to really understand what meme coins are. If you're throwing your life savings into a meme coin, let me tell you right off the bat, you're doing everything wrong, because meme coins are extremely risky, asset. Do I see most of these meme coins surviving in the long haul? Absolutely not. I've said this clearly. This bull cycle, can the profits be made? Definitely, right? That's, again, in my personal opinion. But with that being said, with meme coins, you always want to invest what you can afford to lose. Always do your own due diligence and research. It's really important to do that. And, just because Bome was the one that reached $2 billion market cap does not mean every single other pre-sale is going to hit $2 billion and like this. That's not going to happen. The narrative, it's not always like that. People need to understand how this market works. But what you're starting to see is after, this cool off, we have started to see a consolidation pattern forming again. This is a meme coin that launched not even a week ago, so we can't even do too much technical analysis. But obviously the fact that we are seeing this pattern, the sideways momentum on the hourly time frame, is worthwhile noting. And with that said, you are finding a little bit of a hard time for Book of Meme to break out of this 13 zone, so 1300 zone, which is 0.013 cents mark, and it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out here. We retested it like several different times. Let me draw it out for you guys actually. Here, where is it? Where are we? There we are. 13. Okay. There we are. Okay. So that should work. So you guys can pretty much see this for yourself. We are, seeing a rejection. I'm sure it will make more sense looking at it this way rather than obviously without this line. So just look at this line as, a hurdle coming in the way for, Book of Meme. So if you're looking at it after we broke below this, of course, this was, resistance at one point, which turned into support. But after we broke below the support, we are trying to see Book of Meme trying to break out of here. But as of now, we have seen 3 different rejections. I think, we will see that breakout sooner than a lot of people expect. And once that breakout happens, I think this is when the next leg up starts. The next major target is that 1500 zone. And in order for it to go to that 1500 level from the current price levels, that is a move of about 27.2%. And then off we go back to the 2 cents mark. And this is where, excitement comes into play. I'm really excited about Book of Meme, especially with this market momentum. Meme coins are not slowing down at all right now, and I think this thing has more legs for itself right now. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at. But as of now, you do need to see it breaking out of this resistance. It's really important. But do let me know down below what you guys think. Where do you see Book of Meme going at the end of the year? I think this is going to shock a lot of people because of what it has done, right? That alone. Now you guys might be saying, CryptoZX, there's so many meme coins, which is totally accurate. There's so many different meme coins, right? But this one is gonna resonate with people because of the fact that hit a $2 billion market cap in a single day. Literally, in a single day, it hit a $2 billion market cap. And that sticks with a lot of people. And the fact that it has so much attention from big centralized exchanges, possibly, we could get listed on, the missing ones like Coinbase. Obviously, that would be a cherry on top. And obviously, Coinbase owning a huge chunk is also a great thing. I'm sorry, not Coinbase. Binance owning such a huge chunk is also a huge, factor that we need to look into. But that is it for today's update. Thank you all for your support. We'll see you tomorrow in CryptoZX, and peace out.